torch, a roll of sellotape, pair of scissors, 2 screws, a 9mm drill, 2 pieces of plastic card, Phillips screwdriver, marker pen, biro, screwdriver, 2 small drills, very small drills, and this little baby here. Plus set of points, plus a Seep point motor. So we draw a line on our baseboard. It is beautiful and straight. We put our points down. These are end gauge. This is a SL 396, I think, and you have the rest of the line, follow that line, branch off, and that. Right, we've made a little jig here for the point motors, Seep motors. You can either use, I'm using a plant pot naming stick. You can use plasticard. Place your template underneath your points. Make sure they're in a straight line, and if you notice, you can see where that little hole there is matched with the little hole in my template for the point motor. All we need to do is make marks for them 2 outer ones and the middle one. Just bear with me. You can see the 3 marks I've made. The centre one is for the point arm to go through into the thing at the top of your points for your lever. You drill these outer ones with a very small drill and use a 9mm for the middle dot. That is for your leverage, gives you way back and forth for your point. We've drilled the holes, and I've put a highlighter on the 2 outer ones that you can see them better when you're screwing up to them on the underside of your board. I'll just place the motors in. I'll show you in a minute. You was wondering why I'd got a roll of sellotape and a torch. Here is the answer. You place it to see. Light is shining through the little holes as well, so you can see where you're going. Now I put my point motor in and put a switch on. I keep the same colours with every point motor. Then I know what I am doing, because it's easy to get mixed up with different coloured wires. I shall put the point on the motor and tap down with little tacks. As you can see, the point motor is in position, and it is smacking the centre. You've got a true line. As you can see, I've got the switch here. I just need to, and it flicks over. Quite easily, and with no binding, anything. So that's how I fix them. And I've got a tack, 2 tacks at the beginning, at the foot, the V, or 1 in the middle on the toe. I have my point motors I will turn this board over. I have my point motors facing with electrics away from the toe. I will do that on all my points, then you get a consistency of throws. But there's no, that is lined up perfectly. I know it looks upside down, but don't worry. B and A are for your coils. C is for your return. Return goes straight to your little discharge unit. A and B go to your switch, with the middle wire going to your discharge unit to send the current through. D and E are for your rails. You can either put them on your bus wire if you're DC, or you could weld them, solder them underneath in line with as they are underneath to the rails. Then the green one, F, goes to your frog, and you just well solder that in and it should work perfectly. Your trains will not stop on that point. Thank you very much for watching.